Good morning and a very happy Friday to you all. Welcome to this week's episode of the Friday Tech Roundup, where you'll get the latest and greatest in tech news from around the world. Let's go. Number one, Computing conducted an exclusive interview with Williams Racing CIO Graham Hackland. Now, within the interview, Hackland describes how they moved from a self-confessed underinvestment in IT to having 3/4 of critical apps within the cloud and a data-driven design to secure the success of the next generation of cars. He also goes on to talk about the pandemic performance and the effectiveness of adopting a mixed model. You can read the full interview by clicking on the first link below. Number two, St. Patrick's Day on Wednesday gave ample reason for there to be a spotlight shining on Ireland. But what was perhaps less expected was an argument to break out between Germany and Ireland over big tech regulations. Because Google, Facebook, Microsoft and Twitter all have their EU headquarters in Dublin, Ireland has a responsibility for ensuring their compliance with the GDPR regulation. However, Germany has criticised the Irish Data Protection Commission for failing to enforce the EU's landmark data privacy law and for lacking teeth when it comes to issuing fines. You can read more on that dispute by using the second link below. Number three, ByteDance is creating demand to help boost the nation's fledgling chip manufacturing sector. The multinational internet technology company has decided to push into the semiconductors market, a move deemed both unnecessary and yet highly logical. Thanks to the licensable core technology developed by British semiconductor design company Arm Limited, companies such as ByteDance are finding it easier to jump in and have a go at designing their own chips. This move will enable ByteDance to design chips specific to their business needs and server farms. You can discover more using the third link below. Number four, Nokia has struck a trio of deals with the market's largest hyperscalers, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud, to help them advance the 5G radio access network and edge markets. With these partnerships, Nokia is aiming to move away from traditional infrastructure and towards cloud, with network operators to launch new services much more quickly by taking advantage of virtualization and edge computing. You can discover more on those partnerships by using the fourth link below. Number five, last but not least, Gartner has released its top 10 data analytics technology trends for 2021. Looking beyond just the buzz around the dramatic shift from on-premises to remote working, this blog addresses every aspect of the organisation that has been affected and how data analytics has helped address these problems. Among the list is XOps, engineering, decision intelligence, and the rise of the augmented consumer. You can catch all 10 using the fifth link below. And that's all the news we have today. Big thank you to everyone who's tuned in for this week's Friday Tech Roundup. Before you go, a quick shout out to the Devil's Playground, who are hosting the rescheduled hands-on with manual TLS authentication for microservices next Thursday live on YouTube. So be sure to sign up for that. ECS are also super excited to announce their first partner special Ask Me Anything session, which is taking place next Friday at 12 p.m. We will be joined by Atlassian, who will be on hand to answer your questions around Atlassian, the tools that they use, and what's on the horizon for its users. I've dropped links to both of those below, so do go check those out and sign up if you can. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the rest of your weekend, and I look forward to catching up next Friday with more tech news. Take care.